how to build invoice template in Notion Invoice Manager. In this video, I'll show you how to build an invoice template in Notion Invoice Manager. So to get started, go ahead and open Notion into your preferred browser and then sign into your account. After that, head over into the page or create a new page where you want to place that specific invoice template. So to be able to make your life easier, you can go ahead and use the Ask AI feature of Notion to be able to generate that invoice template that you want. So make sure to change the emoji, make sure that it reflects the topic that the page is about, and then after you change the emoji, you can proceed on asking AI, clicking on this Ask AI button, and then ask AI to create an invoice template for you. So this might take a while, but it would be easier for you to create an invoice template with this. You can just tweak all of the required information in an invoice template and then you're good to go. So this is how the invoice template that Notion AI specifically made for us. So we can just simply personalize this one and we're good to go. And that is how you can basically build invoice template in Notion Invoice Manager. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.